What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on the AC system of this 2012 Nissan Rogue. There's no AC currently, and I pretty much diagnosed it to being a bad compressor. So we're going to do that today. We're going to replace the serpentine belt while we're in there. Let's get right into it. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the compressor's definitely making some noise down there. So yeah, we're gonna get the system evacuated and get right to it.
Looks like on the compressor we have two 10 millimeters. We're going to get it with the long extension.
Ooh. Ooh. Got it. Okay, so that line is loose. Get that out of the way. That one's on there pretty good. All right, so we popped the passenger wheel off. We're gonna just pop the fender liner access panel here. Just some clips. We're gonna try to get that hose from this side, maybe try to get under it because it's really stuck on there. I'm just getting the fender liner off. Looks like we have one clip here, got a couple Torx bits and maybe two 10s. So we'll get those pulled out. Okay, so things have escalated. I think we're gonna cut off that stud and drill it. All right, so we successfully got that hose off. That took way longer than I wanted to. Ended up having to drill out the stud. Got to loosen the belt next, get that compressor out.
For the actual compressor housing, it's two 12 millimeters on the top and two down below. So we're going to get the two up top.
Those threads do not feel great.
We got one more. Do the same thing. Hammer seems to be the way to go.
Oh my God, finally got it out. All right, we just got to get that connector off. All right, it's just that one connector. That's off. I think we could just pull it out through the fender. It's a tight fit. Oh. So there we have it. Compressor's out. It's definitely bad.
So here we have the new compressor and a new serpentine belt. It's already pre-filled with oil. Everything looks correct on it. So let's get it installed.
Okay, that one is started. Click. Click. All right, 212s are secure. Put our connector here. Okay. There we go. Those are secure. Next up, we got to put the new belt. It's tight.
Now, I didn't get a lot of footage of me actually installing the new belt, but I'm gonna put a diagram of the routing of the serpentine belt here. Just reference this diagram. This is exactly how you need to put it on.
We have our manifold set up on a vacuum pump connected to the low side, and we're pulling a vacuum at about 30. What that's going to do is that's going to pull out and basically boil any moisture that was in the system. Since we had this opened up, we want to make sure there's no moisture left in there. So we're going to let this sit for about 30 minutes, and then once that's done, we're going to refill it with refrigerant and we will check it. I did just start up the engine and she's sounding good, nice and quiet, no more of that compressor noise. So I think this one's a win. We got the new Gates belt on. It's sitting at about 30 psi. Doesn't seem to want to take any more. The clutch is spinning. And it's blowing at 56 degrees right now, and it's 95 degrees out, and I even have the window open. So I think this is good. I think this is a confirmed kill. So yeah, I'm gonna finish getting the fender liner put back together and we are done. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for this video on the Nissan Rogue. Hopefully somebody finds it helpful. And as always, I'm DC5 James, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.